Yo, what is up, guys? Back with another banger. This one's kind of special, actually. So, yeah, I kind of lost my, well, I didn't lose them. I broke my AirPods, and I gave them to a friend because he wanted them because they're broken. But, you know how I had that first AirPod unboxing? I'm just gonna think I'm the best. Well, I got some new ones. So, oh yeah, I broke my finger at a football game. I was just playing tackle. That's how I broke my finger, if you're just wondering. But I got new AirPods. So yeah. As always, gotta open it with a knife. So don't cut towards you like I just did. It's hard to do this because I have a broken finger. So, yeah. AirPods, yeah. Designed by Apple in California. I love how it slides so smoothly. Yeah. There's the AirPods. I got the Gen 1 because I didn't want to pay $200 for the Gen 2s. It comes with a charger, as always. Do you think it's weird that the AirPod charger is longer than the regular iPhone charger? Like, it's longer than the charger the iPhone comes with? Yeah, that's what I figured out. I went to see how long it was compared to that, and did figure out that so, oh, I love that. It's just so nice. So yeah, AirPods. You already know it. Charger, yeah. So, yeah, so, yeah, I got more AirPods. I gave my old ones to my friend, like I said. He wanted them for a break, and I don't know. I blew, like, a speaker, I don't know how. Like, the speaker. Okay, so one day I was listening to music, and then I went to put them on, I put them on the charger, right? And then next time I wake up, I put them in to listen to music. They just, one doesn't work. I mean, it works, but it's really quiet. All the information about AirPods, by the way. Yeah, I have a bit of a cold, so yeah. I'll be back when I connect these to my phone, because I just got them. So yeah. Hey, so I got them in. They're actually pretty nice again. Like normal, I said that last video. They're really nice. So yeah, yeah, I haven't really used AirPods in a couple, like since 6 months. Yeah, but like, yeah. Oh, please, God, don't have me break them again. But like, yeah, I'll keep in touch how they are. So, see you till my next video.